Where's he at? Hey, get down! Get down! One at gunpoint. Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
On May 9th, 2025, at approximately 6:30 a.m., Kern County Sheriff's Office deputies were dispatched to the 600 block of Water Street in Northeast Bakersfield, following reports of a male subject armed with a hammer, a machete, and a firearm. The call came from a woman who had already been shot by the suspect, 42-year-old Sadi Giovanni Diaz, and had locked herself inside her home as he attempted to force his way in.
911, what is the address of
Right now, I need to believe that one people stay outside. And
what is the address?
What is right now? Hurry up.
What is happening?
I don't know. People have a gun.
Who has a gun?
The people, the man outside. He have the hammer and he's pushing my door. Hurry up.
Is he trying to get your door open to your apartment?
Yes.
Do you know this person?
Yes, his name is Giovanni. Please hurry up. Oh, call my sister. You know nothing.
Ma'am, when you're crying, I can't understand what you're saying, okay? What is his name?
The person is Giovanni. Giovanni, I don't know.
Giovanni, you don't know his last name?
No, Giovanni is the brother to the church.
Has he shot the firearm at all, or is he just threatening you with it?
He put the gun when I go to open the door, but I don't open. Oh my God!
Ma'am, they're coming to you as fast as I can. The deputies are on the way. I'm going to stay on the line with you, okay? Okay? I can hear him in the background.
Oh my God! He entered! Hermano, yo no le dije nada a la hermana. La hermana vino, pero yo ni siquiera le hablé nada, por favor. ¿Qué pasa? Yo no dije nada, yo no le hice nada. Hermano, yo no le hice nada. Yo no le he hecho nada a usted, brother. ¿Es en serio? ¿Qué le pasa? Yo no, la hermana vino, brother. Oh my God, brother. Yo no le hice nada.
What happened?
When deputies Samuel Flores and Cesar Monroy arrived on scene, they encountered Diaz outside the front door of the home armed with multiple weapons. Body cam footage shows deputies issuing commands to get down and drop his weapon before an exchange of gunfire. Diaz pointed his firearm at deputies, prompting the officer involved shooting. After the initial exchange and Diaz was on the ground, he fired again, striking one deputy in the hand. All three individuals, Diaz, the deputy, and the female victim who had been shot through the front door before deputies arrived, were transported to area hospitals for treatment. Diaz was arrested and charged with attempted murder, burglary, kidnapping with a firearm, assault on a peace officer, and carrying a loaded firearm without registration. A total of 6 felony charges reflecting the full scope of his actions before and during the confrontation with deputies.
RB's advising there's a subject with a firearm that's going to push open the door. RB's advising subject has shot the firearm towards the door. Can be heard banging on the door.
Huh? Where's he at? Hey, get down! Get down! One at gunpoint. Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Oh! Fuck! Hey, I'm hit! 255 Adam, 999.
¡Tira la pistola! ¡Tira la pistola! ¡Estamos arresto!
Hey, I'm hit, bro.
Okay?
Yeah, my finger.
You okay?
Yeah, I can shoot.
Adam 999.
Copy 999.
Subject still in possession of the firearm. He's in front of the residence. Still moving.
Hey, get down! Get down! One at gunpoint.
Here, you can see Diaz point his firearm at a deputy. After being struck, Diaz still raised his firearm and shot at a deputy. This is the deputy's view, moments before he was struck in the hand.
Hey, I'm hit. 255 Adam, 999.
¡Tira la pistola! ¡Tira la pistola!
Diaz was still in possession of the firearm and posed a deadly threat to deputies. Homicide detectives assumed investigative responsibility at the scene. On June 13, 2025, the Kern County Sheriff's Office convened an incident review board and formally determined the use of force by both deputies was within department policy. The findings were submitted to the Kern County District Attorney's Office for independent criminal review. Diaz has upcoming court hearings scheduled regarding his charges.